Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show. Whoa, I gotta calm down. A little excited here. Retekess sent me this multiplayer. I say multi, it's multiplayer. Now, they sent me one a couple weeks ago, which I reviewed, but this one is really nice, really nice. It's $70 on Amazon. Right now, there's a discount of 10%. And it does tape. That's what was playing, one of my tapes. Yes, I do have tapes. I'm that old that I went from record player to tapes to CDs to now TF card players. You know it. Did I say? Yeah, I said CDs. Okay, moving on. Getting a little excited here. It comes with a remote control with all these functions, volume, equalizers, stop, start, go to the next track, direct tune to a track, pause, all those things. A nice manual. And this is what it does. It does compact disc right there, CD. It does tape right here. Can eject, there's where the tape goes. It does AM and FM. It does Bluetooth, both transmit and receive, both. It's awesome. It will play music from a USB drive. It will play music from a TF card. It will play from an external auxiliary input. So if you have a record player, you could hook it up to this to use this as a speaker amplifier. Stereo, speakers on the sides there. What else did I mention I didn't forget, or what I forgot, or I think that's everything. So this is the Retekess TR642. You can get this on Amazon. Just came on the market. I mean, I've been waiting. They told me this was coming, and I've been waiting for about a month, and they finally got it on the market. It's now available. Has a headphone jack on the back and has a handle, which I've got the telescopic antenna up so you can't raise the handle. Let me turn it around. There's this one speaker. There's all the connections for your USB drive, TF card, USB charging. It has a built-in battery. This one, which is this button right here, which is not identified in the manual, I found out by pushing it, it's a reset, start over. Auxiliary input, headphone jack. I'll have to find my TF card. It's behind me. Forgot to put it in. Bluetooth, either receive or transmit. Volume up and down. Push and hold for on and off, or push for function. Watch this. It's on TAP. It's supposed to be tape. It does say tape at the top. Nice bright display. CD, USB drive, TF card, auxiliary input, tape. Whoa. And then if you want to get to the radio, you just push this, just select AM or FM. You can change, it's got an extra light. Look at this. Check that light on the top. And you can turn it off. And change colors. Boy, this has got a lot of wow factor. Let me look at my notes here before I get totally lost. Carrying handle, I mentioned that. Cassette, CD, I mentioned that. I'm sorry, when I get excited, I get kind of confused. Okay. That's about it. Pretty heavy. But like I say, if I put this down, then the handle comes up and you can carry it. I don't remember. Let me look in the manual because my memory is no good. It comes with the battery, and the battery is 5,000 milliamp hours, and it's removable, so you can change it out for a higher capacity battery if you wish. It's in centimeters. Oh well, I got my tape here. I think I still know how to use it. See how big it is. It's about 9 inches by about 8 inches by about 5 inches. Okay, so that's dimensions. It's, like I say, it's pretty heavy. I would say it's a couple pounds. Okay, let's try some functions. You saw a tape player. We can go to CD. And the tape, I believe, the music on the CD, because it's a CD that I made, and the tape are royalty free. But I won't play them along just to be sure. Okay, take it off of that. My USB, my TF card. I think this is the correct card. I should turn it off. Okay. You always should turn them off when you're inserting and removing a TF card, and I never can figure out initially which way it goes. That's upside down. Now I need a pin to push it in. There we go. Sorry for the delay. I'm just so excited. And like I say, it's on sale right now, so I wanted to get this video out for you. Turn the power back on. Push and hold. I say push and hold. Okay, what am I doing wrong? Now, what did I do? I didn't do anything wrong. There we go. Got to hold my mouth right. Oh my gosh. Okay, now I want to go to TF. There we go, TF. Now it should start playing. There we go. The sound is awesome. Plenty of volume. And this, I should be able to play this for more than 5 seconds because this is from the free YouTube library collection. Turn it back up. And I can select various equalizers. Boy, listen to that bass. That is nice. Oh my gosh. Okay, I can pause. Yep. This remote's really nice because you can set this up on a shelf or something and then use the remote while you're laying in bed or sitting at your desk. Also comes with charging cord and an auxiliary input cord. Yeah, they included that. This is pretty nice. I don't know what else I can tell you. See, we did the CD, we did the TF card, we did the tape. We can do the radio. Put this back up. It's about, let me see, I got my measuring thing. Let me see how long it is. It's about 20 inches, not too bad. We'll go to, gotta watch out for music. Okay, there's FM at the beginning. No, that's one. I think that's one of, you can do an ATS. And I think that's where I did an ATS. No, it's not. Okay. I believe push and hold this one. Yeah. There goes the ATS. Shouldn't take very long. This is the FM band. Now, I just thought of a drawback. The AM band is not for the US. It's 9 kilohertz steps, so it's for outside the US. Sorry, but
wonderful stat, Alita. I like that.
Kid roll. You weren't brought.
Prices are, quote, not very high.
Found 20 signals, some of them noise. No, 5, I'm sorry. I was looking at the volume, trying to get it down. Okay, now it's too low.
Okay, well, here, let's do this. And Sophia, thank
8, 10, noon, 3.
Okay, it's only up to 94.5 and it's working on 11. So, FM is superior. Scan's a little slow. Not too bad. And like I say, the FM band is short, so it doesn't take a long time to scan. Although it's finding a lot of stations. It never finds our signals, and every time it finds a signal, it has to pause, so that slows the scan down. You're up to 99, and we're up to 22 memory locations. There's my camera's not picking it up, but down here is a battery indicator, and then right now it's flashing MEM that it's in the memory mode, memory storage mode. 28. Okay, it found 28 signals. Now, like this one, there's nothing there but noise. No, I did it wrong again. Supposed to be doing this. Oh, I did it again. When you push this thing, I thought that was going to go through the memories, but that's how you manually tune. And when you do a manual tune, if you've done an ATS, then it's out of that mode. I'm not sure how you would get back into that mode. See, it's back to P1. Yeah, I messed it up. I think that's about it. I want to thank Retekess for sending me this for a review. And I really like it. Like I say, they sent me one that was a little cheaper, about $10 cheaper, about a week ago, and I really liked it. But there were some things I didn't like. For instance, on the other one, this display is really tiny, and it doesn't point up at an angle like this does. So this one, and it actually, in real life, this is much better than my camera is picking up. So my camera is not doing it justice. And it says that we're in FM mode. Now let's go to AM mode. I guess they see it's 522. So it's not going to work very good in the United States. Yeah, so forget that. You can go back to the tape player, play. Oh, I got to go to that function. CD, USB, TF, auxiliary, tape. Here we go. Country music. Okay, enough of that. Let's go back to end up to the TF card, and we'll let that play because that's free music from YouTube. The sound is awesome. wish these would, these lights here would flash with the music, but they don't. I don't think. That's off. That's red. It's off. Now I can't get back to the other color. Maybe the color is associated with what media you're playing. Okay. We will put that volume down. Oh, there's also a key here to completely repeat your list of music over and over again. You can change tracks with these buttons here. You can pause, stop. It's got about everything. Like I say, and it has Bluetooth receive, so you can use this as a speaker amplifier, and Bluetooth transmit, so you can transmit to like your Bluetooth headphones. Really nice. If you enjoyed this show, please give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, that would really be nice. And have a great day. Bye-bye.